$15 down at that diner booth. When you can feed your family four for less, and that's the truth. We're making biscuits and gravy, hash brown casserole tonight. Just 1 pound of sausage, gonna do it up right. Stick around till the end for the full recipe list. Well, first you crisp those hash browns solo. Nobody likes them soft. While they're baking in that oven, get your sausage in the pot. Brown it dark and crispy. Let that flavor start to build. Build a velvet roost right in the pan with butter, flour, and milk. Sage and nutmeg, heavy pepper too. Pour that liquid gold, watch it shine right through. Top it with those biscuits, bake it till it's golden brown. Crispy, creamy, dirt cheap, best breakfast in this town. Why you still eating cereal when you could have this? $12 feeds a family, pure comfort food bliss. From the crispy hash brown bottom to the fluffy biscuit top, this casserole's the reason that your kitchen never stops. We're better than Cracker Barrel, better than the rest. This is country home cooking and we do it the best. Feed 4 for under 12, that's a family feast, you see. Biscuits, gravy,